This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla %20 Walker. The Bellhaven Model in Greenhaven at Hillpoint by Wetherington Homes, featuring a flexible floor plan with gorgeous design details. Plenty of living and entertaining space for today's lifestyles. Spacious, open kitchen has butler's pantry and big dining island, separate dining room. Great room overlooks backyard. Optional first floor guest room or office. Upstairs has loft, large primary suite west/huge closet. LVP flooring included. Select your lot and customize your new home to fit your style. Other home plans to choose from, including Homes West/1 ST floor primary bedroom. To be built, ask about available inventory homes. July 17, 2025 for more information.